What if you forget the company password? Prepare a U-disk, and the U-disk should be empty, since the U-disk will be formatted when making PE disk. Insert the U-disk into computer. When the computer prompts that the U-disk is inserted, we open the PE tool on the desktop. Select Install PE to U-disk. Select the U-disk that needs to make PE tool. Click Install into U-disk now. Click to start making and wait patiently. At this point, the PE tool is completed. We turn to a computer with password and start it. To unlock the computer password, first, insert the U-disk with PE tool and a keyboard and mouse into the computer. Then select Restart Computer. When the logo shows on the computer, click F2 key quickly and continuously. Stop pressing when the setup interface appears. At this point, use the arrow keys on the keyboard to select our U-disk, then press Enter to enter PE. Note that you cannot fully refer to the options in the video when selecting a U-disk, because each computer may give a random name to the U-disk. Just pay attention to the option that starts with UEFI. If you made a mistake, restart the computer and select it again. Now we are in the PE system. Find the software for password change on Windows and double-click to open it. Click Open, then find the username of the computer whose password needs to be puzzled out. If you don't know your computer username, puzzle it out one by one. We select the computer username to be puzzled out, and then click Change Password. Here you can set a new password. If you do not need to set a new password, just click OK to clear the previous password. Finally, click to save the changes and then restart the computer again to achieve the effect of puzzling out the password. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.